bird right here. This is called a flycatcher, and I've been watching it the last couple days, hanging around my backyard. And there's a little bit of a swarm happening right now, and that bird is dive bombing through them, having some bee snacks. I looked over here and there was a swarm happening. I'm not really sure where they're going, but the flycatcher knows. He's a really cool looking bird. Or she. Anyway, it's flycatcher snack time here as the swarm decides where they're going. Looks like I'm going to be capturing a swarm in the next 20 minutes or so. What's going on here?